Merkel has long cultivated strategic relations with China and India. Indeed, she prompted talks of an eastern pivot on Sunday when she said that Europe must take its fate into its own hands against a Western alliance divided by Brexit and Donald Trump's presidency. Germany is India's largest trading partner in the EU and a top source of foreign direct investment. Their bilateral trade has more than tripled over the past decade and was reported to be $19 billion last year. However, that was a modest amount compared to its trade volume with China, which stood at $160 billion last year. China has remained Germany's largest foreign direct investor for 3 consecutive years. And both sides are also seeking to link their respective development strategies, namely Made in China 2025 and Industry 4.0.